Good morning. We're so glad you are here.
Hey, daily vlog. So if you like this video, come back tomorrow.
It's a Sunday morning, almost afternoon. We had a great live stream.
You truly did. I'll link it here if you missed it.
Fundraising for ACS. Link in that below. Going strong already on the first weekend.
Yeah, you guys are incredible.
Killing it. Thank you. And we're gonna go to the south side today, and we're gonna grill some ribs.
Barbecue ribs.
And hopefully hang out outside a little bit.
Yeah, and it's a little bit rainy, but that's fine.
Yeah.
I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the mouth and win a kiss. If you want some melon, just let me know.
I'm gonna say it. I'm excited to grill tonight. I'm excited to be with the family, but I'm bummed that we're leaving the city. It's too gorgeous out.
It's really nice.
Ah.
It's cooler, and so it's not as sweaty.
Yeah.
I'm doing work.
Yeah, you're
I'm
editing.
editing the vlog on the way there. Teddy is kicking me, but like in my back.
All right, we've made it to Christina and Grant's. We're playing with a dry water table. I don't know if we're committing to getting it wet yet. You have a little doggy? Oh yeah. Someone might be a little bit of a daredevil. Ready? Okay. Gotta hold on, ready? Hold on tight. Woo! You get the hang of it as you get bigger. We got Jamesie lounging on this chair, Luco being DJ.
Wow, thank you.
Cheers.
Are these Trader Joe's? Did Trader Joe bring you these? Yes. So cute. And I finally finished editing the vlog, so now I can actually chill.
Do you ever like record yourself and then afterwards you're like, I just sounded so dumb?
Yeah. Did I sound dumb just then? The truth comes out.
Cheers.
I don't know if he knows cheers.
Cheers.
Don't touch my ice cream. Alright, we've moved inside. Luca's taking a nap still. And I'm about to go grocery shopping or get their supplies for dinner. Sarah and James are gonna take a nap, and Pumbaa is wild. Pumbaa, chill. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm at Jewel, picking up ribs, picking up some beer, picking up cornbread mix, picking up all the fixins for dinner. We're gonna boil these like my uncle showed me in some ginger ale and get them seasoned afterwards. But it'll be fun because I'll have to test my carving skills again. So here's the haul so far, and then I'm gonna pick up some bow ties because we're gonna have pasta, ribs, cornbread, and I think a cucumber salad. So I had to call Christina because Sarah was putting James down, and I think this is more so a thing in our family. But we were looking for bow tie pasta, and I get into the pasta aisle, and not in any brand do they have it except for one. But the thing is, don't mess with an Italian family and what kind of pastas we're supposed to have with certain kinds of sauces and whatnot. So I knew the kind of brand that had the one kind of bow tie pasta we were looking for wasn't what we usually get. So then I had to call, and then me and Christine had to talk about like, okay, well, these brands has these. Do we want to do the penne? Do we want to do the rotini, like large, small? It's a whole thing. It's not just pasta and shapes. There's a thing to it, okay? So I actually got two different kinds because I found one, and then we got the phone, and I was like, wait, this is a better rigatoni from this brand. So I got both. One will come home with me and Sarah. But I gotta get back. It's already 3:30, and we have to get. It's gonna take me a little bit to chop up and trim these slabs of ribs down, and get them boiling. All right, I'm about to start the process of cleaning them, trimming them. I got 2 full racks here, and then like just a little less than a half here because we just would rather have a little too much than too little. I know Grant and I could probably take down a whole rack by ourselves each, But you always want to have leftovers rather than not enough food. We have 2 pots. We're gonna fill it with some ginger ale and some seasoning and stuff to get these boiling, I think for about 45 minutes before we toss them in some rub and some barbecue sauce and then get them on the grill. I don't know if this was intentional or connected at all to the way my uncle showed me, but when I looked up some facts earlier just to make sure I knew what I was doing, apparently Al Roker has a very similar recipe to this with ginger ale sticky ribs. So if you want to Google it, Al Roker sticky ribs. All right, so we got ginger ale, a little water, a little salt. They boil on this for 45-ish minutes until basically cooked. And then we toss them in some herbs and some barbecue and then the grill. Pretty pumped. Oy, he's actually kept the head on for more than 2 seconds. And there goes the hat. Soon, you'll be big enough, you'll just want to keep it on. Dance it, dance it. Hey, hey, dance it, dance it. Ooh. Tell me you've skipped your nap without telling me you've skipped your nap.
Whoa, whoa. We're gonna watch Enchanted before dinner. Have you seen this before?
No, I only watched that when I was a big kid.
So you have seen it before?
Yeah.
Because you're a big kid now.
Wow, maybe we have to give him these for Jamesie. You've been actually asking for it, and I've been the opposer of it. Ooh, gotta go clean the grill. You gonna help your mom and your aunt cook? Or just eat it all? All right, we got the grill preheating. I'm gonna heat it up super hot so I can scrub it. And then we'll get it to like between we're around 350. We're shooting for 350. And then I'm gonna go in like the next 5 minutes, I'll get the ribs off the stove top and we'll baste them in some barbecue sauce and get them ready over here. Here we have the setup. Here are our juiced up ribs. Ooh, Jamesie's not thrilled. We're gonna get this down to 350. I just cleaned it. We just need it to cool off a little bit and then we'll get these ribs going. This is a professional technique of cooling off your grill. Are you helping Dad? Oh yeah? Thank you. Got some new plants and furniture in the screen. Jamesie, please don't. Okay, here's one rotation down, rebasted with some more barbecue sauce. Gonna get it sitting there for another 5 or so minutes. And we should be looking good. Is it boo? Oh, you having fun growing with Dad? Yeah? Oh gosh, so much to do. And ending at 350. There it is. Looks delicious. Hopefully it turns out good. So I'm gonna dish it up. We're gonna all transfer it to this plate here, and we're gonna go inside. And I think Christina and Sarah have been working on all the side dishes to go along with this. But 2.5 slabs of ribs, ready to go. We're not being very good at being. I mean, like we are leading a plant-based life, but this is the opposite of plant-based life. But it's delicious.
Look at that stack of ribs. Jamesie's been eating some watermelon. Tied him over. James, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Here is our full plate. Ribs, pasta. This is the Cajun Alfredo from Trader Joe's. We're not that crazy about it, so we added Tabasco sauce, and it's pretty good.
I know!
What? Oh my gosh, he stole it. Made cucumber salad, which is sour cream, red wine vinegar, sugar, salt, pepper, and cornbread.
What happened, Beef?
I think he's tired.
He's tired
I
too.
think he's a little bit tired.
James, he fell asleep.
Mid-rib. Oh my goodness.
Got his fork in his hand. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
This is what happens when you skip a nap.
Uh-huh. We're having some cereal for dessert. Lucas
Do this one.
making the faces. Tongue.
All right, James fell asleep during dinner. As you saw, he actually stayed asleep in their guest room. So we got him in the car, still asleep. It's a little after 9. We decided we didn't know what time to move him in it, potentially wake him up, but he transferred pretty well to the car. I'm running into Target to get some last minute preparatory things for the baby's arrival.
Look at that fountain lit up. We're on our way home.
I showed Target.
Oh, you did? Did you say that Jamesie? Okay, so James fell asleep at the table, and he's still snoozing. So.
Fingers crossed we can get him into his room.
Yeah.
We need to change his diaper and get him into his pajamas.
Yeah,
I don't
because
know.
he's been outside.
I don't know if he'll stay asleep for all that, but fingers crossed.
Oh, big yawn. Peter's doing the transfer of James, and my job is to keep this very excited dog, who gives us the best greetings coming home, to keep her chill, because she automatically wants to go in there and be excited to see us. So I'm just gonna sit with her and hope for the best.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.